So ayan, gagawa tayo ngayon ng viral na Google Gemini. So punta tayo ng Google. So may ginawa ako dito, ayan. Yan yung ginawa ko sa Bumblebee ko, Kisu e-bike. Kisu e-bike K3X50. So yun yung ginawa ko. And punta tayo sa Google. So gawa tayo ng ganon. So yan, Google Gemini. So type nyo lang Google Gemini. So yan, Google Gemini, and mag-select lang kayo ng pictures. Yan, pindutin nyo tong add. Upload kayo ng pictures dyan. Upload files, and only this time allowed nyo lang yan. Punta kayo ng photos and videos, and ayan. So select tayo dito ng image na pwede natin ilagay. So yan, select tayo siya. Hanap tayo ng image na pwede. And ito na lang ulit ang gamitin ko na image. So yan. So may image na ako. E-bike yan, pero ang terms na gamitin ko is motorcycle. So magta-type ako dito ng use the motorcycle as model. Yan, model to create yan 1/7 scale commercial commercialized figure of the motorcycle. So motorcycle yung ginagamit nating term dito kasi yung ating e-bike ay parang motor. So motorcycle, and illustration comma and realistic style. So and environment period environment. So please the figure on computer. So yun yung mga viral kasi ngayon na nasa screen siya ng computer, yung picture ng ating motorcycle. Place the figure on a computer desk. Yan. Comma. So using circular transparent acrylic. So ito yung kanyang pinaka base, acrylic base. Yan. So without any text. So yan. as in transparent lang to, at saka naka-design siya as using a circle transparent acrylic base without any text. So yan yung kanya pagpapatungan or base. So period on the computer screen, tapos comma display the ZBrush modeling prices. So ito yung kanyang pinaka-level of the figures. Tapos period. Next naman is to computer screen. Parang gumagawa ka lang dito ng gagawin ng AI Gemini. So next to computer screen, comma place Banzai or tapos dash style. So ito yung pinaka-style niya. Style toy. Packaging box printed with the original artwork. So yan. So again, next lang natin. Use the motorcycle as model to create a 1/7. So 1/7 scale commercial lies figure of the motorcycle and the illustration and a realistic style and environment. Place the figure on computer desk using a circular transparent acrylic base. So ito yung base niya without text on the computer screen. Display the ZBrush modeling prices of the figure next to the computer screen. Place Bandai dash style toy packaging box printed with the original artwork. So pagkatapos niyo i-type yan, pag naglagay naman kayo ng car dito, yung image, car yung ita-type nyo dito. Or kung figure ng tao, ita-type nyo yung figures ng tao dyan. So yan, i-okay nyo lang. So waiting tayo. Just seconds. Nag-create na siya ng Google Gemini AI. So pagkatapos niya mag-create yan, generating images. So ayan, meron na tayo yan figures ng ating Gemini, Bumblebee and motorcycle. So ang option dyan, pwede mo siya i-download na yung ganong ano. So yun lang mga devs. And ito yung result ng Gemini ko. Yan. Google Gemini. So yan. So double check nyo lang din yung sentence and yung tinatype nyo na words. para goods yung result.